Okay, let's check this out. Lens Distortions, brand new, unreleased. Got a lot of fans going on. Let's see if it's actually messing up with my sound. I'll turn them off. Multiple layers, it's cool. It doesn't look like any of it's video though. Okay. Luminary, principal light hits, some vignette, the fog rolling in, rain, snow, shimmer, legacy, and unlock all packs. How do I do that? Pay $1 a month, huh? Wait, so our add 215 filters. Okay, so I don't think this model works. I mean, I don't know. There's so much competition out there, and there's so many things out there that have free filters. I don't know why you'd want to pay for filters. I mean, sure, there's celebrities out there like Peter McKinnon. He's got, his preset pack and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe you'd want to get his preset or something like that. Maybe that'd be cool. But I mean, otherwise, it's... why do it, man? There's so many free filters out there, and, maybe you would enjoy the editing process yourself or something. But... I just, don't really see the point. There's just too many filter options out there. You don't need to buy filters, in my opinion, but maybe you do. Maybe you're just that in love with it. I mean, I can't say that I love seeing ads over all of my stuff, so at least it gives me that option instead of looking at ads all the time. So some of these effects are kind of similar to ones that I've seen in Photo Director, which that's probably my second favorite app, but to be honest, I barely ever use it anymore. So I thought I could layer multiple things. I'm not seeing how. Do I just push this forward there to save it? Okay. Oh, add layer. There we go. Select another filter. Okay, there we go. We'll put this one over there. Okay, so it's kind of a small space to work with. Can I just minimize that? Can I just minimize all of them? Get these out of my... Yeah, that's what I don't like about this so far, is that, I gotta work with just minimal screen stuff. I don't know. So, some of these pretty novel, pretty new. Not horrible or anything. But is it really necessary to buy these? I just can't say for sure. So yeah, that's an early look at the unreleased version of Lens Distortions. Thank God it doesn't have annoying ads for days. But who knows, in the released version, maybe it does. It's always good to have that flip vertical, flip horizontal. Easy to do. So that's cool. Some cool stuff. It can be useful. So I don't think this is incredibly terrible app. But I mean, with the 250 other filters that are out there possible, I have no idea. It doesn't really give me any idea. So I might play with this some more for here and there, but I don't know, probably not an everyday user of this one. Go enjoy it, guys.